What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and this video here is to show you guys what I've done to my network Wi-Fi system and what I'm about to do to my network Wi-Fi system. What I previously had was the Linksys Velop triple pack. If you noticed in my last videos, I did an unboxing for it. That system is gone. So yeah, let me explain. Now, my time with the Linksys Velop system was good. It was a nice, simple setup with 3 nodes. One node here, one node in main floor, one node in the second floor, and everything gelled fine. Everything was hooked up. Certain devices would hook up to that node. Certain devices would hook up to that node. Certain devices on that node. It was all nice and fine. The issue I was having is that, say my cell phone, I look up the speed test on it and it gives me probably maybe 125 gigabits per second or megabits per second, right? And I'm like, okay, so why am I getting such low signal? I look on the node and it's actually connected to my living room node, not the node which is 15 feet away from me. And that's an issue. I know the thing is where you walk around and you're connected to node, but the thing is it's not smart enough. All the devices I have are not going to be smart enough that's going to connect to the closest router on the highest speed. So with my phone, it's always on 2.4 gigahertz, not 5 gigahertz, which it's meant to be on to give you the best speeds possible. It wasn't doing that. So I would check in the bedroom, let's say. I check the speeds. Oh, it's hooked up to the basement router here, and I'm upstairs. I'm like, well, what the heck's going on? You know, it's just an inconsistency. I thought it'd be a little more proof, you know, proof of a smart mesh technology, and it just wasn't working. Also, devices weren't connected to 5G; they were just defaulting to 2.4 gigahertz. So I'm definitely not getting the speeds that I want on a lot of my devices. So, good in concept, safe, you know, easy. It's a good system. Don't get me wrong, it's fine. But for me, I noticed I had way more speeds with my previous router, which I want speed. I don't want to worry about, am I connected everywhere? Is it all good? No, I'm all about speed on the devices that I use all the time. That's what's important to me. Now, with that out of the way, wipe the slate clean, returned. Now, doing some research, you know, online, Best Buy, things like that. I was going to go Netgear. I was about to do the Nighthawk 10, you know, the AD system, and just do one of those mesh extenders, which would have cost probably, $500. No. I did some research on Asus because, you know, this Asus router I've had for many years, and it's been just fantastic. There's nothing wrong I can say about this router. This is the RT-AC3100. Look at it, it's got a stamp on here, September 2013. And this you can find in Best Buy stores right now still. It's just that good of a router. I love this router. It was hard for me to disconnect it to get the mesh network. But some peers of mine and some people chattering around me like, mesh network, you're getting half speed for the extender. I'm like, I do have extender, I'm putting half speeds, that sucks. So I started the mesh, and then anyway, back to my weird story. So I'm doing research. And I love Asus, so I'm like, what's Asus doing? They got to be doing something. And all of a sudden, this thing popped up, AiMesh. AiMesh is a new development from Asus where they're able to turn certain routers that they've made, just Asus routers. They can turn this amazing router into a node, a mesh node, which I can put this amazing router in the office upstairs on the second floor and use it as a node. Isn't that fantastic? That is fantastic. I really didn't like to put this away in a drawer or a closet and just stuff it away, and then it's like, oh, I can't use it no more. It's such an amazing router, I can't use it no more. Now I can actually use it upstairs. So now I can upgrade the Rafcave router again to this guy, Asus AC3100. Oh, I just love the design of this. This is going to look so good over there. So now this is going to be my upgraded main router as the main system. This will go in the Rafcave, and what I can do now is turn my old router into a mesh node. How cool is that? Fantastic. Can't wait. So what I'm going to do now for you guys, welcome. I'm Raf in the Rafcave. I do inspiration videos on my home theater to give you ideas, unboxings, trailer reactions, video game content, all that cool stuff. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Like this video if you find it helpful to you. It'll give you some ideas on your next router or network system. I appreciate it. Let's do an unboxing of this guy. Look at what's inside, and then I'm going to connect this to my main router, my main modem, and then I'm going to convert this old router into a node. Amazing. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed. Let's go. All right, guys. So before I unbox the new router, if you guys happen to have this router, or you have one of the compatible Asus AiMesh routers, you want to convert this into a node first. So with the app here, this is the router.asus.com. What you want to go is go into the administrative setting and then select AiMesh node. Select that, save it, then it turns this router from a wireless router mode into an AiMesh node. And up here you can turn it into a mesh router. That's the default. So it's either a router or a mesh router. But since I'm going to bring it upstairs, you want to turn it into an AiMesh node. But also make sure you have the latest firmware. Update the firmware first, then you have the option of doing this and then convert it into a node. So we'll do that first. I'll do that separately. So I just want to show you the app on your phone. So that's step one right there. All right. So glad I can keep you. You're going upstairs as a node. See ya. Now, the brand new, well, not brand new, but new to me anyway. Oh, hey. We got a protein bar. Sweet. Doesn't taste the greatest, but it's good for you anyway. All right. Asus. Look at this box. I just love all the little stickers and tags. Look at that seal of approval right there. Award-winning AiMesh, the most powerful and flexible Wi-Fi system. Reader's PC choice. Accelerator game built in. Unbeatable coverage, enhanced security, best for gaming. 4 gigabit ports. Just love the look of this thing too, his antennas, it's amazing. Look on the side here. You got your reset button, your WPS button, USB 2.0. 4 gigabit ports. There's your router socket there, WAN port, power and the power cord. And on the side you have a USB 3.0. Look at these specs. Let's go at the top. All right, there's all your ports. Sharing HD, sharing Samba, TC, printer support for internal antennas. It's got some good memory built in, frequency, excellent speeds for all your Wi-Fi. Fantastic. It's got a great app you can build into it. Protection mode there, good. Setup wizard's good, very nice. All right, let's get this bad boy unboxed. Ooh, what's in the back here? Of course, the back. Always reliable on any device. Protection's great. No latency, and there's the app you want to download. Asus AI Cloud. Very cool. All right, here we go. Black pin. All right, get it all unboxed. I can't wait to set this up. Oh man. Love Asus. Asus has always been good. Always been good to me. Here we go. Lifting up. I like this box. So it's really sturdy cardboard here. Up, up, up. Oh yeah. Ooh, that black foam material there. Good padding. Awesome. All right, your standard plug and play here. Pretty simple. Step one, unplug, connect, check the lights, make sure the lights pop up, connect your PC, and you log into the website, and then put in your security. Some Spanish in the back. And then you have your WT Fast for gaming stuff. I don't do PC gaming, so I don't know if I'll use that. Stop, don't return it. Call us, we'll help you. Oh man, look at this. Oh my goodness. Just feels great. Feels great. Awesome. Got your antenna port plugs here for all the 4 antennas. Very nice, like a spaceship. Cool. That Asus in search of incredible. Awesome. Lift, lift, lift. Okay, it's all cardboard. Okay. We have your 4 antennas. Very nice. Ethernet cable. Power cable. Oh, nice packaging. All right, that is it, guys. And your 4 antennas. Awesome. Well, guys, there it is. There's the unboxing of the Asus AC3100. I'm going to install this beast and enjoy AiMesh from Asus in my home. All right, real quick, guys, I got the router hooked up here. It's still loading. Just turned it on. But I first did, once you select that AiMesh node mode, it automatically forces you to factory reset the router to default, so it can just become a node all clean. So I'm going to go hook this upstairs and then continue watching this bad boy beast up, and then I can connect the mesh network. All right, here we go. Right now that I'm using the Netgear Wi-Fi extender, which is a definite no-no. We're going to get rid of this garbage and install the new Asus mesh node. Here we go. Boom. There is the Asus AiMesh node module right there. Loading up as we speak and ready to connect downstairs. Oh, what a fantastic way to use your old router as a node. Can't wait. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm on my computer now looking at the new router. And when you select the AiMesh, what you want to do is press search. And it's going to look for the router upstairs in the office. Alright, guys, it has been linked and activated. Just had to do the search. It finds it. You click it, and then it adds all the information to it. Takes about 10 minutes. And yeah, it is awesome, guys. Let me tell you, I'm down here in the Rafcave. I check my phone strength, and I get, 866 megabytes. I'm upstairs, and it's around between 5 and 6 megabytes, and it's awesome. Way more speed than I had with the Linksys. So I am super happy. I can continue to use my amazing Asus router, and now I can upgrade to a higher powered router and use my old one as a mesh node. It is just a wonderful feeling. I'm very pleased with the speed, very pleased with the range, and more importantly, the app itself is much better. More control, more information on the data usage of each device. It's got parental controls as well, and of course the computer, the asus.router.com is awesome information on how to control your router and see what's going on. So, guys, thumbs up. I am super happy, much more excited about this type of Asus mesh network, and I am a believer and a continued supporter of Asus. I love it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment below if you have any questions or if you're doing the same thing. Check it out, guys. Seal of approval, double thumbs up from Raf. See you next one. Skull.